Hi, this is Matisha from Jan Academy. So today I'm going to solve some of the questions based on JE. So here's the first question on differentiation I'm solving to solve. So here is the first question. If under the root of 1 minus x square plus under the root of 1 minus y square equal to x minus y. Its differentiation dy by dx we have to find out. So this is a trick based question. It is not an implicit form. Here x y are there, the coefficients are x and y, but not the intermixing of x and y in we are found in any of the term. So it is not as complicated as implicit function. So what we have to do is we have to substitute the value of x and y in the trigonometric form. So we will substitute x. Let x equal to sin theta and y equal to sin phi. So what will be it? It will become 1 minus sin square theta plus under the root of 1 minus sin square phi, a into sin theta minus sin phi. So it will reduce to 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta under the root of cos square theta cos theta plus 1. Similarly this will reduce to cos phi, a into sin theta minus sin phi. So we will apply the formula that cos a plus cos b is 2 into cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. So cos theta plus phi by 2 into cos theta minus phi by 2. A as it is, sin a minus b is two into cos a plus b by 2, so theta plus phi by 2 into sin theta minus phi by 2. So 2 will be cancelled with this and cos theta plus phi by 2 will be also cancelled. So what will be left? This will come down, cos theta minus phi by 2 upon sin theta minus phi by 2. So it will become cot theta minus phi by 2 equal to a. So from this we know that we have substituted the value of x and y. So we have to come back to that same formata. So we our goal is to reduce it into the form x and y. Remind this. So how we will do this? Theta minus phi by 2 equal to cot inverse a, theta minus phi equal to 2 into cot inverse a. So theta, we are substituting the value of theta. Theta is sin inverse x minus phi. Value of phi is sin inverse y to this right hand side will be same, cot inverse a. Now we will differentiate this function. Now we can differentiate this function. This function has reduced to this form. This given function has reduced to this form. From this we have we have substituted as a value of x and y. Then we got the value in terms of theta and phi. Then again we replaced theta and phi in terms of x and y. So we have got this function. Now we can differentiate this function. When we will differentiate this function, we will get sin inverse x is 1 upon under the root of 1 minus x square minus as it is 1 upon, here we are differentiating with respect to x. So it will be this simply, and this will be 1 upon under the root of 1 minus y square into differentiation of this y dy by dx as a complicated form, and differentiation of this constant will be 0. So dy by dx will be dy by dx will be, this will go that side, so it will become 1 by under the root of 1 minus x square minus 1, and this will go up minus under the root of 1 minus y square upon 1 in multiplication. So minus, when minus will be cancelled, and it will be 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. So dy by dx will be under the root of 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. 1 minute, I am checking the answer. Yes, answer will be positive. So our main goal was to find out the value of dy by dx, and we have found the value of dy by dx. So in this way this problem can be solved. This is simply trick based question. Now question second, it is also like that. Question second, under the root of 1 minus x, under the root of 1 minus x to the power 6 plus under the root of 1 minus y to the power 6 equal to a cube x cube minus y cube under the root of 1 minus x to the power 6 plus under the root of 1 minus y to the power 6 equal to a cube minus a cube into x cube minus y cube. So how can we solve this question? It is also similar type as question 1 was. So we will put the value of x and y as, let x equal to sine theta and y equal to sine phi. So it will be like this, 1 minus sine square theta plus 1 minus sine, we will substitute x cube as, here we will substitute x cube as sine theta and y cube as sine phi. So it will be 1 minus sine square theta and 1 minus sine square phi. A cube sine theta minus sine phi. So it will be cos theta plus cos phi, cos theta plus cos phi, 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta, cos square under the root of cos square theta cos theta. Similarly this is cos phi equal to a cube sine theta minus sine phi. Cos a plus b, cos a plus cos b, 2 into similarly cos, as in the first question, cos theta plus phi by 2 into cos theta minus phi by 2. equal to AQ, sin A minus sin B is cos theta plus phi by 2 into sin theta minus phi by 2. So cos theta plus phi by 2 and cos theta by phi by plus phi by 2 will be cancelled, and 2 is, I missed 2. 2 will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. So what will be left? A cube equal to, this will go here and it will be A cube equal to cos theta minus phi by 2 upon sin theta minus phi by 2. It will be cot theta minus phi by 2. So again our target is to reduce it in the form of x and y, because the given question was in the form of x and y. There was no theta phi, we introduced that, so we'll bring it back to that form. So how? Here theta minus phi will be cot inverse 2a cube, sorry, cot inverse a cube into 2. So theta, we will replace theta here by sin inverse x cube, not x, minus sin inverse, similarly phi, sin inverse y, and this will be as it is, cot inverse a cube. So sin inverse y x cube minus sin inverse y cube equal to 2 into cot inverse a cube. So here we will differentiate it with respect to x. Reminded that how, what base we are using, we are differentiating it with respect to x or y. Our target is to find out dy by dx. So we have to differentiate it with respect to x. So its differentiation will be 1 upon under the root of 1 minus x square. So it will be x cube, but it is not directly x. Sin inverse x, differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon under the root of 1 minus x square. So differentiation of sin inverse x cube will be 1 upon under the root of 1 minus x cube to the power 2. So it x to the power 6, and it is not x, so we will differentiate this complicated form, we will differentiate this interior part also. So we will get the differentiation of x cube as 2x. Now similarly differentiation of this will be 1 upon under the root of 1 minus y to the power 6 into 2y square, but it is not x, so we will differentiate it with respect to y x. So dy by dx, one term dy by dx will be also there, and differentiation of this constant will be 0. So 2 will be cancelled, and differentiation of dy by dx, value of dy by dx will be dy by dx will be, this will go there, so it will become minus x square upon under the root of 1 minus x to the power 6, and this will go up. So minus, when this will go up, then it will be under the root of 1 minus y square upon y square. Minus and minus will be cancelled. When minus is multiplied with minus, it will be 1, it will plus 1. So here x square upon y square into under the root of 1 minus y to the power 6 upon 1 minus x to the power 6. This is the answer. This is the answer. X square upon y square under the root of 1 minus y to the power 6 upon under the root of 1 minus x to the power 6. So these are the special questions, trick-based questions. It resembles like implicit function, but it is not an actual implicit function. These are just only trick-based questions. These are two special questions that we need to remind. And in this format, any question can come in future. So the basic trick is whenever we find out these types of powers in even number of powers, then we will substitute it like as x square equal x cube equal to sine theta, y cube equal to sine theta. Try to focus that these should be in the, if we are putting x cube equal to sine theta, then y cube also is sine theta. Both will be sine, not both will be, or both will be cos, but we give priority to the sine theta. So this is the basic trick that we need to remind. Okay, so it's over now. Thank you.